Hello students, today I am going to recite and explain a poem which is not in your syllabus. Students, don't be surprised. At first, I will say few words about the poet and then I shall recite the poem I didn't go to church today, but which is written by famous American poet Ogden Nash. What you have to do is to listen to the presentation very attentively. Yes, it's for listening skill and then answer the questions that will be provided. Okay, another information to share with you all, that is today no need of copy and pen. You will use your mobile or PC to write your answers in the comment section in the Google Classroom. About the poet Ogden Nash. His full name was Frederick Ogden Nash. He was born on 19 August 1902 in New York. He was a writer of humorous poetry who owned a large following for his verse. Name of some of his poems are The Bad Parent's Garden of Verse, I Am a Stranger Here Myself, and Everyone But Thee and Me, etc. He also wrote the lyrics for the musicals named One Touch of Venus and Two's Company, as well as several children's books. This great poet died on 19th May 1971 in Maryland. Let me first recite the poem, then I will explain the meaning to you. I didn't go to church today. I didn't go to church today. I trust the Lord to understand. The surf was swirling blue and white, the children swirling on the sand. He knows how brave my stay, how brave this spell of summer weather. He knows when I am said and done, we will have plenty of time together. I didn't go to church is a very meaningful poem. Here the poet says, I didn't go to church today. I trust the Lord to understand. Here the poet says that he hopes God understands why he didn't go to church that morning. The surf was swirling blue and white, the children swirling on the sand. Why he didn't want to go to church? Because it was a beautiful day and he wanted to go to the beach to see and enjoy the blue and white waves where children were playing on the sand. He knows, he knows how brief my stay. Here he means God, Almighty God. Almighty God knows that his stay means his life is very short. How brief this spell of summer weather means the happy days of our life or the narrator's life also very short. God knows that. He knows when I am said and done means when the narrator or the poet he will die. We will have plenty of time together means the narrator will have time with God means after his death he will he will be with God forever and he will be enjoying that life after death with God, Almighty God. This is the meaning of the poem. Thank you, students.